Hi everyone and welcome to Veritas Traders. I'm Eamon Phillips. First things first, we're going to cover three things. Obviously today is the anniversary of the Lehman Brothers collapse, and I'm going to add a video so you can actually see what was being said by us at Veritas Traders at the time this was occurring and the market review that we actually did on that particular day. The second thing is I'm going to show you just a few things about getting stopped out and watching the market make a move in the right direction. It can be frustrating, but you need to have your discipline about you and know when, okay, you didn't make it, got stopped out, come back tomorrow, the markets are not going anywhere. And the third thing is I'm going to talk to you about our seminars that will be being hosted on the 17th of September at 7 o'clock. So let's just talk first about Lehman Brothers. Now last year, let's go back to a year ago. Wow. 15th. Okay, so that's a year ago. Now it doesn't seem like a lot, obviously, but I'll just give you some opening bar prices. It opened up, well, yes, the day before it closed at 11,421. The following day it closed down at 10,917. So you can imagine that was a big, massive effect on the markets. Now, the thing about Lehman Brothers was it was a long time coming. The markets have just steadily started to repair themselves, which is a good thing. Now what we need now is the economy, but it still hasn't got back up to 10,000 yet. You know, remember a year ago it's sitting at 11,000. The overall highs was just amazing. It was a shock to the system, but it's a shock that most people have survived. So I won't waste your time too much. I'll just put the link in for Veritas, the Lehman Brothers collapse on here so you can actually view it. Secondly, let's talk about today's trading. Today's trading was somewhat a little bit unfortunate, but you have these days, as I said. We took a long position. We did a number of trades which we were risk-free in. Then we took a long position as we saw it starting to break out, but we got stopped out by 1 point. And as you can see, the markets went on to rally without us. Now, this is quite a nice double bottom that was forming. The stop in today's case was a little bit too tight, and I just want to impress upon you that those days happen. You'll get stopped out and you'll see the market do wonderful things without you. If you're not prepared for these events, then we'll be talking about those in our webinar. How to trade, how to manage your trades, and what makes the difference between a winning trader and a losing trader. Now this was just a bit unfortunate. Yesterday was a very good day. Very similar trade. We managed to get the run down, and then we managed to get the run up as well. So we're not too upset, but it's just a little thing that you guys should know about your stop managements and your managements in total. Now, if you're always stressed about your trading, I would recommend come and join us for our webinar, and we'll be giving you some pointers on certain things that you look for when you are trading and how to be successful. Okay, so if you want to join us at the webinar, I will quickly show you how to actually do that. Okay, just loading up the page. Here we go. Okay, let me just put this in focus. Now we've got our upcoming events. The first one will be on the 17th of September at 7 o'clock. Now the great thing about this, I mean, the returns we've got this week have been fantastic, and we're only into the second day. What we look for in terms of trading, you guys know, but what we do is if you want to book your place, just click on your link here And always remember, because it's in our live meeting room, try and have your audio system set up so you can actually join us and participate in the actual conversation and the presentation, because we get just as much out of this as you do. Talking to our users, our clients on the site is fantastic. So please join us if you can. If you can't make the 17th, please join us for the 23rd and book your place as well. It's basically the same thing, but we're opening up some dates. And then we've got a special one with our live trading room. We start a little bit earlier, and you can register for that on the Free Friday. Okay? Thanks very much for your time. I hope you enjoy this video. Take care. Bye bye.